How do you stop the hiccups? Hold your breath. Take a deep breath. Hold your breath. Blow it out. Very good. But that cat didn't know how to stop the hiccups. Yes, he didn't know. That's why what cat did? He asked frog for a help. And what frog said? You stand on one foot. How do you stand on one foot? How do you stand on one foot? Okay. Now cat stands on one foot. Now was he able to stop the hiccups? Was he able to stop the hiccups?
No.
No. That's why cat asked help from Callie. Cat asked, how do I stop my hiccups? Callie said, you stand on one foot. Go and stand on one foot. Go. Stand on one foot and hop up and down. Hop up and down. Hop, hop. What is the meaning of hop? Hop. Yes. Hop up and down. But cat still had the hiccups. Hiccups didn't stop. So he asked his another friend. He asked, how do I stop my hiccups? That friend says, you stand on one foot, hop up and down and sing a song. Sing a song. Okay, now did the hiccup stop? Did the hiccup stop? No, hiccup didn't stop. So cat asked help from Bob. How do I stop my hiccups? Bob says, you stand on one foot, hop up and down, sing a song, and rub your belly. Rub your belly. Cat does it, and nothing is working. The cat still has the hiccups. So Bob says, go and ask your mom. And what mom said is, you take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, hold your breath and blow it out. Blow it out. Now what happens? Hiccup stopped. Hiccup stopped.